The regime has once again opened the knives for the people's president, Nelson Chamisa, after Friday it convicted his top aide, Jameson Timber, and the caretaker leader of the legitimate Citizen Coalition for Change, TPC party. Sanapinda mashoko vanoona kuti aiwa ari Nelson Chamisa varamba vangori attacked. Patiri kuona kuti aiwa main aides avo ari kuramba ari convicted as a move yavari kuzama kuda ku destroyer aiwa the opposition nari Nelson Chamisa. Sanapinda mashoko mudanyigo panapa kuti subscribe or like on the bell kuti tipinda panapanyora chiti Timber alongside over 40 activists have been convicted to charges of participating in an illegal assembly. He and other activists were arrested following an alleged unsanctioned gathering on June 16, where authorities framed the event as a violation of public order laws. Opposition voices maintain it was a peaceful demonstration advocating for civil rights. Gift Ostalo Siziba, a TPC spokesperson, described the verdict. It is said that only 29 of the above 48 have been acquitted. Honorable Timber and others have been unjustly found guilty. We reiterate that all the 48 are innocent and demand their immediate release. Timber's conviction, coupled with the lengthy pre-trial detention of the activists, highlights the escalating pressure on Chamisa's leadership. With the TPC describing the convictions as politically motivated, the move is widely viewed as a strategy to weaken the opposition ahead of the crucial political transition. Lo mashukana muda nyuka panapa aiwa na kumene mzimu aya vachikoti mashukwa atagwa na Ostalo Ziziva vachiti aiwa tonoti macourts anokurelisa vakomana 29 but anoramba akabata Jameson Timber nevamwe achita pamboti na zvakambosiyana vakuda kungoripesa nyaya vachida kuzama kuisa advocate Nelson Chamisa but vakomana ava havana kana mhaka. Tudze mafungiro emu tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi muna comment section medu. So subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.